Jiggle awake, it's a brand new day. Stretch your arms and shout, hooray! Jiggle awake, pop out of bed. Stretch your arms above your head. Tiptoe softly to the window now. Wave to the sunshine on the tree's high bough. Look, the sun is shining bright. Look, the birds are taking flight. Wake up, let's start the day. What? Brush and splash and jump and play. What? Line, grab your brush, squeeze the paste. We're going fast, no time to waste. Scrub the front and scrub the back. Rinse and spit, stay on the track. Turn the tap and water flows. Rub your hands where the soap goes. Splash your face with a happy sound. Hop into your comfy pants. Do a wiggly little dance. Pull your shirt above your head. Click the snaps. Hooray, all fed! Wake up, let's start the day. What? Brush and splash and jump and play. What? Wiggle, giggle, clap your hands. What? Morning fun across the lands. What? Wake up, rise and shine. We're off to me. In my little kitchen bright, I bake with joy and pure delight. A swirl of sugar soft and sweet, a loving treat for hearts I meet. Chop, 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 chop. Mix it, whisk it round and round. Magic bubbles start to sound. Pop it in, just wait and see. It's almost time for cake and tea. I pour the tea, not too hot in Mommy's cup. The pinkest spot for Daddy too. I make it sweet with honey drops and smiles complete. Tea and cake made just for you. Warm and cozy, fresh and new. Every bite and sip we share shows my love in every care. Tea and cake, a family treat. Mom and Dad, you're oh so sweet. Stirring love in every brew. Every crumb says I love you. Tiny hands but a big warm heart. This little moment is our art. K.O. When tea is sipped and cake is shared, they'll know how much I truly care. Talk in hand, a smile so wide. Good morning, class, the children cried. Books all open, pencils neat. Tiny shoes tap every seat. One's the teacher standing tall, writing letters big and small. 2 plus 2 is 4, they cheer. Learning time is fun right here. Hands go up, Miss pick me. They giggle loud and count to 3. Gold star stickers, well done crew. Tomorrow we'll learn something new.
Are you ready for the big surprise?
Fun right here. Hands go up, Miss pick me. They giggle loud and count to 3. Gold star stickers, well done crew. Tomorrow we'll learn something new. The storybooks are open so wide, wide, wide. But now it's time for them to hide. Books go here, flat on the shelf. Let the books rest by themselves. Find the home, find the home. Don't let the toys start to roam. Put it away, put it away. We can finish the cleanup today. The fast little race cars and big red truck, we give them a hug for good luck. Park them now inside the box, next to the silly little fox. The costumes go up, up, up on the hook. No capes on the floor for us to look. Find the home, find the home. Don't let the toys start to roam. Put it away, put it away. We can finish the safe now. The box is a happy little wave. Out the window, look, look, look. We're closing the cover on the school book. The zoo bus is waiting, beep, beep, beep. Happy secrets we will keep. The zoo gates open, what will we see? A tall giraffe looks right at me. Neck goes way up, high, high, high. Then a big brown cow walks slowly by. Hello friend, the fun at the zoo will never end. We say hi with a clap, clap, clap. We give the animals a friendly pat. Look at the sheep, fluffy and round. The softest white wool can be found. We whisper ba! Gentle and low, we want our good manners to show. Hello friend, the fun at the zoo will never end. We say hi with a clap, clap, clap. We give the animals a friendly pat. Let's watch the duck near the pond. Quack, quack, quack. It waddles so fast and then it waddles back. The tall, strong goat gives a mighty yell. Its funny, loud voice makes us laugh as well. Hello friend, the fun at the zoo will never end. We say hi with a clap, clap, clap. We give the animals a friendly hat. Hello friend, the fun at the zoo will never end. We say hi with a clap, clap, clap. We give the animals a friendly pat. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. The happy zoo fun always ends. We wave and we smile. Bye, bye, bye. We had the best day. Hip, hip, hooray.
Wow! The Wacky Zoo Farm! Look! It's huge!
The pig in the mud goes splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. The pig in the mud goes splash, splash, splash. All around the farm.
Oink, oink, oink.
The llama on the hill goes step, step, step. Step, step, step. Step, step, step. The llama on the hill goes step, step, step. With a gentle, soft walk. The elephant's trunk goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The elephant's trunk goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. To give himself a shower. Trumpet, trumpet. The penguin on the ice goes slide, slide, slide. Slide, slide, slide. Slide, slide, slide. The penguin on the ice goes slide, slide, slide. Down the icy slope. Chirp, chirp. The cow in the barn goes moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. The cow in the barn goes moo, moo, moo. To say good morning now. Moo, moo, moo. The sheep in the field goes ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. The sheep in the field goes ba, ba, ba. To eat the fuzzy grass. The chicken goes peck, peck, peck. Peck, peck, peck. Peck, peck, peck. The chick in the pen goes peck, peck, peck. To find a tasty worm. Peep, peep. The dummy bell rock, 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 rock. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, bop, bop. The dummy bell rock, 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 rock. Bop, 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 bop. Hey! Are you ready to see? Let's learn healthy eating and become strong. We are going to munch, crunch, crunch. We eat our colors, let's sing this song. Look at the color, what do you see? It's bright green broccoli, happy as can be. Looks like tiny trees standing up tall. Take a big crunch, you can eat them all. Veggie power, short and positive. We love the colors on our plate. Yum, 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 we eat them up. Fill our energy cup. Yum, 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 we eat them up. Orange, orange, long and thin. That's the happy carrot, let's begin. Orange, orange, long and thin. That's the happy carrot, let's begin. That's the happy carrot, let's begin. Red, 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 round and sweet. That's a yummy tomato. go to waste. Veggie power, strong and great. We love the colors on our plate. Yum, 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 we eat them up. Fill our energy cup. Veggie power, strong and great. We love the colors on our plate. Yum, 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 we eat them up. Fill our energy cup. Veggie power, strong and great. We love the colors on our plate. Yum, 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 we eat them up. Fill our energy cup.